Hello and welcome. It's great to meet you again. Today, I'll be explaining the basic wiring diagram and working principle of a system where 4 Delta VFDs are connected and controlled using a JGD-280 Speed Synchronizer. This setup is commonly used in monofilament machines where synchronized speed control of multiple motors is essential. Step-by-step wiring instructions. 1. Create the project. Open your electrical design software and start a new project. Use the search tool to find and place 4 Delta VFDs on the diagram. Draw the Speed Synchronizer JGD-280 and label it clearly. 2. Power supply. Draw 3 phase input lines, R, Y, B, and a neutral line. Label them accordingly. Connect L1, L2, L3 terminals of all VFDs to the RYB supply. Three. Motor connections. Draw 4 AC motors and connect each one to its corresponding VFD output terminals, U, V, W. 4. Potentiometer setup. Connect one 10K ohms potentiometer to the analog input of each VFD. 5. Relay and button circuit. Place 2 micro relays. One relay controls the on/off signal. The second relay handles simultaneous start of all VFDs. Pull a neutral line directly to the relay coils. Wire an on push button, NO, and an OFF push button, NC, in series from the Y phase via MCB. Use a holding contactor to maintain the on condition. The second relay is triggered through the holding contact. Connect M11 and DCM terminals from all VFDs to the second relay to enable on/off control. Additionally, connect a main potentiometer to the JGD-280 terminals 7, 8, and 9. Terminals 30 to 31, 32 to 33, 34 to 35, 36 to 37 U01 and G1 inputs of each VFD. Seven. Synchronizer power supply. Provide a 230V AC supply to the JGD-280 Speed Synchronizer. Set the parameter of VFD. 2.00 equals 01. (2.01 equals 01). Operation. When powered on, all VFDs can be started simultaneously using the push button and relay control. Individual speeds can be controlled using their own potentiometers. The main potentiometer connected to the synchronizer allows overall speed control, increasing or decreasing speed for all motors in sync. Final notes. Double-check all connections for tightness and correctness. Use the correct cable gauge according to the current rating. Always follow safety protocols when dealing with electrical systems. Feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more industrial automation tutorials.